Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo gallery to Weebly. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple images on your website in an organized, visually appealing format that engages your visitors. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage. Now, take a look at the left menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that as well. Next, you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit if you have multiple sites. Select the one you're working on, then look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see an Edit button waiting for you. Click it to open your site editor. Before we move forward, there's an important step you need to complete first. Make sure you already have your embedded code for your photo gallery ready to go. You can find photo gallery widgets on various third-party websites that offer embeddable galleries. Once you find one you like, simply copy its embedded code. This code is what will power your gallery on Weebly. If you've got that code ready, we can continue. Now, make sure you're on the Build tab in the top menu. This is where all the design and editing magic happens. On the left side menu, look for the embed code element. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, just click on Show All Elements to expand the menu and reveal all available options. Once you've located the embed code element, simply drag it into your website wherever you want your photo gallery to appear. After placing it, click on the element you just added. A menu will pop up, and from there, click on Edit Custom HTML. This opens up a text box where you can input your code. Now, paste your embedded code for your photo gallery into this box. Once you've pasted it, close the editor and preview your site to see your photo gallery in action. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo gallery to your Weebly site using the embed code element, giving your visitors a dynamic way to view your images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.